and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're going to review another pair of Tom Ford glasses. Today we have these Tom Ford FT5040 that have a little more thicker plastic frame. They come in this brownish tortoise color, which gives a very exclusive feel, almost like a dark wood. Also with this iconic Tom Ford logo engraved in metal here on the hinges, give them a really exclusive feel. These thicker glasses with a square shape fit very well for oval face shapes. So now let's try them on. So these thicker frames are perfect for the more fashionable kind who want to make a clear statement and add some personality to their outfit. You can get these Tom Ford frames with any of our prescription lenses, so they can be fitted completely to your needs. We offer them with any kind of lens index, any kind of coating, such as blue blocking or transition lenses for any need you may have. Thanks for watching, liking,